Hi, I'm Chef D and welcome to the Studio Kitchen. Simple, easy ingredients that are truly better with Bothwell cheese. Today, Truffle Monterey Jack cheese. Black truffle Monterey Jack cheese, that rich, decadent flavor coming from the truffle is going to incorporate in with a pumpkin flan. This can be a dessert, but it also can be a savory breakfast. So we have 4 eggs, 2 whole eggs, and 2 egg yolks. I'm going to whisk these together, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to add in our sugar, our whole milk, our cinnamon, our pumpkin. And this is pumpkin puree. You can buy this at any grocery store, so we're just going to gently mix that in, just incorporating it all together. And then this beautiful, rich Monterey Jack cheese, the black truffle, Bothwell. Incorporate it all together. And what we have here is our pan. We have a little bit of water because you want a water bath in it. You want it to steam so that it doesn't bake on the outsides. Take our ladle, mason jars or ramekins, wherever you want to go with this. We're going to cover it with foil. We're going to take this and bake it at a 350-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Oh yeah. Simple, savory ideas that are truly better with Bothwell. A pumpkin flan, truffle Monterey Jack cheese, a little bit of caramel on top. That's so good. Bothwell black truffle cheese with pumpkin, a pumpkin flan. Simple, easy recipes that are better with Bothwell.